This is your Tech Team number 790 grease coupler set. The set consists of two 90 degree, two 45 degree, and two straight SAE replacement grease fittings in case you run into trouble and bugger one or it's unusable. And it comes with a 200 millimeter extension hose that connects right to the end of your grease gun, and then it has the grease coupler. You would appreciate how handy this device is. If you've ever had to get grease into a zerk or grease fitting that's in a hard to reach location and you can't get the grease gun in there and still operate the lever, what this allows you to do is to open the jaws, lock it onto the grease fitting, and then pump the grease in. There's absolutely no problem accessing this grease fitting so we can lube this spindle. Any grease gun that comes with a standard tube is easy to use. We can pump the handle and get everything lubed up properly. However, when it comes to lubing and accessing the grease fitting on this spindle that's on the center blade, we have a whole different set of problems. This is where the grease coupler comes in incredibly handy. The grease coupler will lock around the waist of that grease fitting, and then we can use the grease gun remotely, still be able to operate the handle, and very effectively lube that spindle. Before pumping grease into a grease fitting, the first thing you want to do is clean it off so that you don't force dirt into it with the grease. Just unscrew the tube that's in the end of your typical grease gun, thread the end of the coupler tube into it, and tighten it just so it's snug, not too tight. And now you're good to go. Just press the lever, put it over the zerk, release the lever, and now it's on good and tight. Now lubing that tough to get at grease fitting is no longer an issue.